everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this new task history UI in Pabbly Connect. And trust me, this update is going to save you a lot of time and help you understand complex workflows much easier. So if you use loops, routers and workflows with multiple steps, this upgrade is going to save a lot of time of yours. So let's understand this update now. Now over here first, I'm going to explain you this workflow. I'm collecting orders from my WooCommerce store in bulk. Now as I take the response in advanced format, I have used this loop, a new feature by Pabbly, which is helping me branch this flow. Now I have this main branch and the loop branch. In the main branch, I'm adding all the order details, and in this loop branch, my workflow is conditionally set to run. The first filter step and the second filter step. Now let's suppose if I'm capturing any order, any specific order from my WooCommerce store, I want to send a particular mail for that particular product only, and if that product is not there, I'm going to run the workflow from this second loop. Now as soon as these steps are over, my details of my order will be added to my Google Sheet. Now over here, if you want to check the task history, earlier the task history mixed everything together. All the routers, loops, iterations, filters, all the steps were together. So everything appeared in long list, which made it difficult to understand whether which condition or which step has been run or which step has not been executed. So that problem is fixed in this new task history. So now we are going to open this new task history. On the top, you can see this Pabbly Connect where I have this arrow. I'm going to click on this arrow. You can see this task history classic. You can use this task history while you are creating classic workflows, or if you're using a new beta workflow, you can use this new task history beta. So I'm going to open this, and do you want to continue? I'm going to continue with the new task history, and it has opened in front of me. I'll go towards my workflow, which was this one, new task history UI in Pabbly Connect. Over here, this is the task history ID. I'm going to open this, and you see that I have this WooCommerce order created, and then I have this loop. So this WooCommerce triggers this loop module, which is processing multiple items. So if I click on this select branch, we have this main branch and the loop branch as I've shown you in my workflow. If I click on this main branch, this Google Sheet has opened in front of me. And if I go towards this loop branch, and then we get another option of selecting. We have two iterations as I've shown you in my workflow. If I click on this, you can see this iteration 1, iteration 2. If I click on any of the iteration, that particular step will open, and from that I'm going to select route 1 or route 2. So let's suppose I'm going to select this route 1. You see that filter 1, the filter value appears here, and the Gmail, which was the next action step. If I open this filter, you can see this condition is true. If I open this Gmail, you can see the step was executed successfully. So firstly, with this new task history, you can select branch inside the loop, main branch or the loop branch. And if you select this loop branch, you get another option to select iteration 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. If I select this particular iteration, you can see that Pabbly Connect shows only the iteration 1 steps which were executed. Now secondly, inside this loop we have the router. Over here you can see this. If I open this, we can see we have this route 1 and route 2. If I open this route 1, this has opened. If I open this route 2, the another step open. If I open this, you can see the condition is false. If I open route 1, you can see the condition will be true over here. So in the previous task history, it showed all the routes together. So with the help of this new task history, you can check which condition matched, which branch executed, and which route didn't work. Perfect for debugging. So here the task history now feels like a proper timeline. You can check the branch, main branch or the loop branch. Then you can check the specific loop iteration, and then you can also check the router route. So over here, if I open these steps, you can see that the order has been placed by this person, and you can see the rest of the details also. And as this was the bulk order, I have received the response in advanced format. So for me to use the loop, I have to get the data in advanced format. We are going to check this once in this workflow. So now we are going to check this once whether it is working fine or not. Here you see that I have collected the order from WooCommerce. You can see all the details. I have captured these details. You can see the name, the phone number, the address and the rest of the details. I have placed bulk order and I have received the response in advanced format. So for me to use the loop, I have to capture the response in advanced format. I have done that. Next step was this loop. If I open this, you can see that I have received the output, and if I select the branch, I have the main branch, which which will open, and then I have the loop branch which will open. Now here what I'm going to do, I'm going to place an order in my WooCommerce store, and if all the details from that store are added to this particular Google Sheet spreadsheet and I receive the mail, then we are going to check whether the new details are shown in this task history or not. I'm going to open my WooCommerce store. I'm going to click on this visit store. Let's suppose I want to get this Radiant Glow Vitamin C Serum. Then I want to get this Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to place the order for these two products. I'll go to my cart. So here I have the total. I'm going to click on this proceed to checkout. Here I'm going to enter my email address. I'm going to enter my name as Smart Lead and the address as New Town. The city is Gwalior, state is Madhya Pradesh, phone number is this. I've entered my PIN code and now I'm going to select it as cash on delivery and then place order. So here the order has been placed. Now I should have received the mail. We are going to check whether this workflow has been executed or not. We are going to open the Google Sheet spreadsheet. We are going to open the mailbox, and then finally we are going to check the task history, whether it is showing all the steps are being executed or not. So here you see that I have just 0 minutes ago received this mail for my Pabbly order. You see that we have placed two orders. For this particular Pabbly Connect order, I have received this mail. Hi Smart, thank you for your purchase. Your Pabbly product order has been received and is now being processed. So now here I'm going to open my task history. From here I'll go towards this new task history beta, continue to new task history, and over here I'm going to go towards this task history ID. So I'm going to select the main branch first. I'm going to open my Google Sheet spreadsheet also, and you can see that it has been added. The details are added. The name was Smart, the email address was smart@pabblytudes.com. The total amount is this, and the city which we entered was Newtown. I'm going to go towards this main branch. So the main branch is Google Sheets. The step has been executed, and if I go towards the loop branch, I'm going to select the iteration first, and then I'm going to select router 1. If I click on this, you can see the step has been executed and the mail has been sent. And if I open my route 2, you can see the condition is false. Now if I open my store, you can see that we have made the purchase of Pabbly Connect and this Radiant Glow Vitamin C Serum. In my workflow, I've added a step that if the person collects this Pabbly Connect, then the mail will be sent, and if this particular product is not there, the next route will be executed. So over here you can see the condition is false and the mail has not been sent. We have received that one particular mail for the Pabbly Connect product order. So this is the new enhanced task history in Pabbly Connect, which is extremely simple, powerful, and clear to understand. So if you work with loops, routers, filters, iteration, then this is the game changer. Now if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. Thanks for watching.